So right now, this is the old Royal Automobile Club website, and you'll notice throughout the design it's quite bare in terms of interlinking and the typography used. There is, to some extent, a lack of branding throughout the design in terms of the typography, and they have two locations here, Pall Mall and Woodcote Park, but the colour's quite brash. So if you click through to the inner pages, it's very harsh, the bright red colour, and a little bit overbearing on the page. And you'll see the same if you went to the Woodcote Park page as well. It's quite harsh, and they're just using very standard typography on the website, which lacks a bit of character. And you'll see how this was improved on the new design. So if we take a look at the inner pages too, say the about the club, and then history. The layouts are very plain and vanilla. It's just a huge wall of text on the left hand side, some hotspots at the bottom to go to the inner pages, but really there's a lack of design or any really aesthetics to the pages of the current website. So with the new branding guidelines, we were tasked with redesigning this website and really building out the pages and building the character of the website while lowering the tone of these branding colors. So I've done this video in two parts because it's taken a little while for their website to launch. So yeah, we're picking this back up now. The website's launched for Royal Automobile Club, and I'm just going to walk through the new design and the build for it. So this is the old website, and then I just want to point out that ODA Branding was the company which carried out the branding refresh and provided the branding guidelines, which were really excellent. They gave us a breakdown of the color schemes to use, the patterns to use, and really broke it down for each and every page. So I'll leave a link in the description to their website. Branding wise, they did an amazing job. So moving on to the new website. So this is the new website we designed for Royal Automobile Club. So I hope you can see it just looks a whole lot cleaner. Maybe I should log out here to make this a bit easier to see. Yeah. So yeah, like visually when you enter the page, just the typography used and then the imagery, it just looks a lot more powerful, more impactful as soon as you land on the website. So we've got this full screen slider at the top, which can be replaced with a video. This is a bespoke design using WordPress, using the branding guidelines by ODA Branding. So we've got the two locations for the RAC. We've got Pall Mall and Woodcote Park. So we just got a little image gallery here, and then you can click through to go to the actual parent location page, where you'll find some more information about that particular location. Then we got these like hotspot areas where we can link through to key important information. The rotunda, so this works as like a blog post section. So we got important blog posts there which show up. And then we just got this super smart, simple footer. Everything looks quite classy and clean. And of course, we've also got the mobile navigation, which, because the website's so large, the client didn't want to spend a lot of time reorganizing the pages because they've already spent a lot of time doing that. So our task was just to simply redesign it, but keep it in the same kind of format. But I hope to think that you think we've modernized it there. We've got this just this like little opacity on the navigation, which I think looks quite nice. And then you can navigate to the inner pages by we don't want to go anywhere there. But we can navigate to the inner pages with this easy to use menu, which is super good when you've got such a massive sitemap with so many inner pages. And once you've logged in, this expands even further. So this works quite well. We've got the section there. So that's the home page. We've got the inner pages for the actual locations. So we lead the website with these rather large hero sections, which just makes it really impactful. One part of the brief was the RSC wanted to use a lot more of images with people in it, so you really get to feel the atmosphere of their events rather than just the empty rooms. So we've really tried to incorporate that, add more imagery of people enjoying the events to create some more connection. And then we've got these, so these are the inner pages of the location, which has some details about the room. We've got the testimonial section. So this is the Woodcote Park location, and it has the theme green here. The Pall Mall version uses the branding red. And then we just got some more links to the inner rooms. And then this is what one of the inner rooms would look like. So you can see here, this is just a simple email request. You click that and your email client opens up. A bit like a hotel website where it tells you what the rooms include, and then just more links to the rooms. And the full layout. So why this project is a little bit different as well is because we only had a set number of templates we were to design and then to pass it over to the client for them to manage and build out the website, because they have their own IT team. So the project wasn't us to literally design and build the whole website, it was just to develop the main templates so they could go on and build the website themselves. On the right hand side, we've got internal links to related pages, so that can be easily changed. And then we've got these further hotspot areas which can be used for anything really what the client needs. Got a gallery with a pop-up video which opens up in a light box. And then we use this these branding tread tire background image, which is really cool. That was designed by ODA Branding. Really cool concept, which looks very good. And then I'll show you a little bit of the back end. We're now logged into the Royal Automobile Club website. So as I said earlier on, this is a bespoke build. When we do a bespoke build, it's typically with Elementor, which is a page builder. So we can see we got a few custom post types on the left hand side, and this is what really makes it quite easy to manage the website. So if we look at the home page right now, you've got the black toolbar at the top just from WordPress because we're logged in. So as it's built with Elementor, we've got the page builder open here. So literally it makes it so easy to edit, because you can just click on any section here, like this text for example, and you can make the changes on the left hand side, changing the styling. You can edit the text there, and then it automatically updates here. We've got the button where you can change what the link says in the button and there where it links to. So this just makes it really super easy for you to manage your website moving forwards. You can click on any section which is on the home page or any pages we build, and then just edit them on the left hand side. This is a custom built element, so it works a little bit differently. But you can see that you've got the text here, and you can just edit the text as you need to. You've got the gallery, which affects this area here. You've got the images, so you can just upload the images via the WordPress media library. You can reorganize them if you want. So it's super easy to manage. So we scroll down. For example, this section here, we got the title and the second title here. And then you got the content, which is these three boxes. Click on the left hand side to open it up, and you've got the text, you've got the title, You change the image, and you can change where it links to as well. So it makes it really super easy to manage. And if we move to one of the location pages, for example, Pall Mall, we've got it here. Again, this is built with Elementor, so it gives you ultimate freedom in editing the page. We've got these rooms, you see, these rooms here. These are rooms which have been assigned to the Pall Mall location. So if we open up the back end here, we've got this custom post type called meeting rooms. This is the list of all the meeting rooms. And then you can see from the categories tab, you can assign what location it's in, so Woodcote Park or Pall Mall. Assigning it to one of the two locations means it automatically appears on this page. So it makes the website very dynamic. You don't need to go into each page, upload an image, upload the title and text. Because it's a custom post type and it's dynamic, it allows the page to automatically update in that way and in a uniform way for you to easily manage the layout. So again, it's using Elementor, super easy to edit. We want to change the title there, and we've got like the testimonials, so you can easily add the testimonials, what the person said about you, and add their name. Got their name in the bottom left. So this is the website has come a really long way from what the Royal Automobile Club initially had. Before, it was kind of unstyled, very blocky, like if it was with a basic default theme. And now with this custom design, with the branding guidelines, it's really like the attention to detail is excellent. It's nicely spaced out, and it makes it a lot easier to navigate around the website for the user, because there are quite a lot of pages there. So considering who the Royal Automobile Club are, they're a very prestigious club, the website now embodies that as well. So I hope you like this video. If you're looking for a bespoke website done for your membership club or any projects you have in mind, then just visit our website. The URL is in the description of this video, and I look forward to hearing from you.